Awesome. Okay, come on up. Let's check your posture. Hi guys, Dr. Maria Machado here from LC Chiropractic. Thank you for watching us again. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually show you from my eyes what it looks like to get adjusted. It's going to be super exciting. So again, every single time we come to adjust you, our patients are laying face down. So Santi is a phenomenal patient. As he waves to you guys. He's laying face down. He's allowing me to check him. So how's your spine healing so far, Santi?
Very good.
Anything new I must know about?
No.
No? Okay.
Just trying to correct myself.
Super tight right in here, okay? So these are the nerves, again, that go to your heart and lungs. I want you to take a deep breath in, exhale all the way out. Good job. Okay, so let's check in here. I'm gonna just bend your legs. So one of the biggest things, you can feel how that right side, right? So I want you to scoot down toward your feet just a little bit. We're gonna do a drop. I'm gonna lift up here, come back just a little bit more. I'm so sorry. Good. You're gonna just drop right in here. And lift up. All right, on your side facing me. So you could definitely feel that inflammation on that right side, huh?
Yeah, because when you put the leg up, the pressure.
The pressure is there? Okay, so we're just gonna pull you this way. Awesome, just fully relax, take a deep breath. Exhale, stick that belly out for me. Good job. Other side. Okay, so turn facing me again.
That's crazy.
Awesome, and face up. Okay. So we're gonna cross your arms. We're gonna get that upper back, especially since we're looking always down at our cell phones, right? Awesome. Oh, now I get to see your beautiful teeth and smile.
And they can be able to see it.
Awesome. Okay, come on up. Let's check your posture.
Hey, Jesus.
Okay. So I know you've been using the head weight. Okay. Your posture is improving though, but still really high on that one shoulder. Okay, so take a seat for me. So what I want you to do is I want you to actually do this. Good. And then I want you to look up just like that. Good. Okay, so let's check your posture again. Go ahead, stand. Fantastic. Shoulder definitely improved. Okay, you're all set. Good job. So thank you so much, Santi, for being a patient today. Thank you guys for following us. We'd love if you share our videos. Again, we're on Instagram, Facebook. We appreciate all your support. If you have any questions or want to get checked yourself, feel free to call us at 754-233-0260. We look forward to seeing you guys. Have a fantastic, healthy day.